Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to romanticize the summer season. If you're new to our channel, my name is Karen and welcome. We would love it if you would take a moment to subscribe for more decorating, cooking, and day in the life videos. This is the first week of the summer season, so what better way to romanticize summer than to go strawberry picking? Let's go ahead and head out. I am so glad that I decided to go to the strawberry patch today to pick strawberries because there were so many people there, especially when I was leaving, that I think today was going to be the only day. So I had a great time, ran into some people that I knew as I was leaving, and I got myself some delicious, yummy, fresh strawberries. Nothing like a strawberry picked right from the fields. Of course, Mark wanted me to go to the White House Farms Market and get some donuts. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that White House Farms is known for having the best donuts around. So, of course, I had to try out the June flavor of the month. And of course, as you can expect, yes, it was the strawberry donut. I grabbed a couple blueberry donuts for Mark and a couple chocolate icing donuts as well. While I was out and about, I thought it would be the perfect day to take a drive to one of our beautiful local parks. And it is called Mill Creek Park. And of course, I saw this precious little deer having lunch. And I just enjoyed watching him or her. And then I stopped for a few minutes at Letterman's Mill, which is one of our most historic landmarks here in our county. And I know it's just a place that we all like to go visit, especially when we're taking a drive through the park. Take a ride through your local park or take a long drive. Just another way to romanticize the summer season. Best thing besides picking strawberries is having a strawberry donut. This is the first time I've ever had one because normally I get their blueberry donuts. Let's give this one a try. Oh my goodness, that is so good. It's a good thing I only got 2 strawberry donuts because I would eat the whole thing. I got 2 blueberry for Mark and also 2 chocolate for Mark. So I'm gonna go allow myself to finish the other half of this one and then no more, no more for me. But I wanna go ahead and finish this and then we're gonna go ahead and share with you a few more ways that you too can romanticize the summer season. Another fun way to romanticize the summer season, and that is going on a picnic. And my husband and I do like to travel to some of our local parks, and especially on a Saturday afternoon, we like to have a little picnic. But you know what? If you don't have someone that you can take on a picnic, why not just go yourself? You deserve a little bit of a break. So grab yourself a throw and go ahead and bring one of your favorite books, or maybe bring your little furry friend with you. But I want to share with you a really delicious and simple recipe. And this is a salad that we're going to put in a mason jar, and it's with orzo and some feta cheese and cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. It is so delicious. You're going to love it. So I went ahead and got my water. It is boiling. We're going to go cook the orzo and start cutting up the veggies. If you know me, you know how much I love salad dressing. I am the queen of salad dressing. This one is so fabulous. It's with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Of course, you gotta add some fresh lemon juice, which is my favorite. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of honey. Now, this particular recipe called for a shallot and for garlic. At the time, I did not have a shallot, so I just cut up some garlic and, of course, some fresh basil from my garden and some fresh oregano, some chili flakes, and some salt and pepper. And this dressing is so fabulous. Honestly, I made it for the second time and I added the shallots and it didn't need them. I really just preferred the fresh garlic. The first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and add some sunflower seeds to each of our mason jars. And this recipe makes 4 servings. And then some chopped up bell pepper. I like the small peppers because I like the multicolors. Then after we add those to each of the mason jars, we're gonna add the dressing. So 1/4 of the dressing in each. So to give it that yummy, delicious flavor. And then we're gonna add some feta cheese. And then after that, I love cherry tomatoes. And again, I like the ones that have some beautiful color. So I added some cucumbers, and I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes. Now, you can add some olives if you wanted here, but I didn't feel that was necessary to add any olives. But then you wanna make sure that your pasta is cooled off and make sure you rinse it so it doesn't clump together, which I forgot to do. And then I have mixed up some dill and some basil. And then this was, to me, the best part of this entire salad, not to mention with the fresh herbs, obviously, and all that, but was adding hummus. Oh my gosh, it was so good. And then we're gonna top each of these mason jars with fresh arugula. And the great part is these will stay nice and fresh in your refrigerator for up to 4 days. Another fun way to enjoy summer, you all know that how much I love different flavored coffees, and these aren't sweet, they just have a delicious flavor. And I'm gonna try to find one similar. This Market District is from our local Giant Eagle grocery stores, but it is so good, and toasted s'mores just reminds me of being out in the summertime around the fire pit, making s'mores, and I just wanted to share this with you because you know how much I love sharing different fun flavored coffees with all of you. So take in the summer season with a yummy, delicious flavored coffee. Another way to romanticize the summer, of course, is having some seasonal coffee mugs. I love to have seasonal coffee mugs, and it just, to me, when I make my coffee in the morning and see these beautiful flowers, it just reminds me of the lovely summer season that we're in right now. And to me, it's a perfect way to romanticize the summer season. Another great way to romanticize the summer season is have some fresh blooms indoors. Of course, you know we're all planting our flowers outside, but don't forget to bring them indoors. I love adding fresh blooms all season long. But since we're talking about summer, this is the best way to romanticize the summer season. Make sure you bring in some fresh blooms. This is such a fun way to enjoy the summer evenings, sitting around the fire pit and just having the family around, or even if it's just yourself, and going through some old photo albums. I pulled a few out today. We've got so many, and I just wanted to take some time and just go through photos of when the girls are little and looking at the generations of my mom, my sister, and myself and the girls. Also going through old photos and seeing my grandmother, my dad, my grandma, and just remembering the old days and our relatives and my grandfather. And I just think if you do have some relatives that are no longer with us, this will be another great way just to talk about and share some stories with your children, your family, or just for yourself to just reminisce about the old days. And oh gosh, this picture here, my nanny used to love to go to pirate games, and she would have her, look at her, she got her purse and her little jewelry on, but that's what Nanny loved to do. She loved to go to pirate games and Steelers games, and so I don't know, this has just been so much fun going through all these photos. Like I said, we've got so many albums, and just enjoy the summer evenings reminiscing of the old days. I love salads, and the best way to embrace the seasons is to add seasonal fruit. In this first salad, I added some sliced peaches, and in the next salad, some sliced strawberries. I love watching seasonal movies, so tonight we're going to watch one of my favorite summertime movies. But first, I'm going to make this delicious rosemary Parmesan popcorn. It's such a simple recipe. I just added some kernels to a brown paper bag and put it in the microwave, and we're going to heat up some olive oil and some fresh rosemary and some garlic and some seasons. And then we're going to sit down and enjoy watching Dirty Dancing, which is one of my favorite summer movies. What is one of your favorite summer movies? Share with me in the comment section. And lastly, there's nothing like relaxing with the windows opening, listening to the summer rain. And then afterwards, I love how the vibrant hues of the summer season come back to life.